वादे पे न किसी के एतबार कीजिए, चाय पीजिए और दफ़ा कीजिए. So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nishu, and welcome to your own YouTube channel. Well, today we'll be discussing 6 different type of teas, and these are all green tea basically, and I'm sure you'll love it because it will be both chilled and as well as hot green teas. Why green tea? It's purely because it has got a lot of natural goodness. It helps you in weight loss, in digestion, for detox as well, for immunity purposes as well. So there is a lot of good things that can happen to you if you regularly have green tea in your daily lives. So the first recipe that we are making today is basically green tea with lemon and mint. So I'll take nearly 1.5 glass of, let's say you can say 400 grams of water, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of the green tea. So we will not boil it for very long. Once the water is hot, we'll just heat it for maximum to maximum, I would say 1 minute to 2 minutes. The water is boiled. Now we have to add 3 tablespoons of honey. You can use sugar as well, but I would recommend you to use honey. So now we have used 400 ml of water, 2 spoons of green tea. We have heated for maximum 2 minutes, and this is, you can see the color. And now we'll quickly add 1 lemon to it. We'll squeeze 1 lemon, and then we add mint. I would say 12 to 15 leaves of mint is good enough, and we have to quickly remove it. So it was a very simple lemon mint green tea that we prepared. So once we make it, this is your hot lemon mint, and in this jar we'll fill the lemon mint and we'll refrigerate it. So what happens, you can take it for any outdoor, or even when you are at home and you want to have it chilled, you can definitely have it. So you can, if you want, you can add a slice of lemon, and also you can add a bit of a mint, and here goes your hot lemon mint. Whereas this is something that I will refrigerate it. Once it is chilled, I could have it even in the afternoon. Okay, moving on to recipe number 2, which is basically tulsi. We have taken 10 to 15 tulsi leaves, and we also have taken the cloves. We'll take around 5 to 7 cloves. Well, if you want, you could add more. I mean, there is no problem with that. So again, we'll take 400 milliliter of water, and now when the water comes to boil again, so we will add around 2 tablespoons of green tea. I'll just crush the cloves just a bit, and then we'll immediately add to our green tea, and we'll allow it to boil. So the only process different here is the moment we added water, we added green leaves, and immediately we'll add the cloves, because the clove, I want the clove to mix well with water. The tulsi leaves can be used at the last because it immediately shreds its juices in the hot water. Although I have kept some, that we can add it at the time of serving. So you have to add half of it at the time when you are preparing the green tea, rest when you are serving it. So I think it is pretty much ready. So the 2 minutes of boiling time is over, and I think I can feel the aroma of the crushed cloves, and we have already added the tulsi leaves. It is ready to be removed from the gas. As I said, that we do not have to hold it for too long. You'll be surprised that I did not add any kind of sweetener, let's say sugar or honey. It's purely because it is up to your choice. Honey, if you are using, you do not have to cook it for that long. What you could also choose is, if you are putting it in a cup, you can use 1 tablespoon in the cup, wherein in the bigger jar you can take 2 tablespoons. So this is good enough. So now we will add the rest of the tulsi leaves, and here you go. This is tulsi and clove, and then the other one in the jar, it will be basically, we'll chill it in the refrigerator. You have got both hot and cold green tea. Good tulsi is a well-known medicine in Ayurveda, and especially for sore throat if you have, or cough and cold, this works miraculously. And of course cloves as well. Clove is very good for your body, for your immunity, and especially the tooth related problems that you have. It can easily be sorted out. So now this is done. So we'll come up to the final preparation of the green tea, which will be basically, what I have done is, I have taken a cinnamon stick, as well as you have got around 1 inch of ginger. So this is the third and the final recipe that we will be demonstrating today for you. This is very good as well, especially for the immunity sake. Ginger is very good. All right, so now I have this ginger and cinnamon stick. The process is a little different. We'll not first add the green tea as we normally do. First we'll add cinnamon stick and ginger to the boiling water. We'll allow it to boil for at least 5 to 6 minutes, because it does take time for the water to absorb the properties of both cinnamon as well as ginger. So once we boil it for 5 minutes is when we add the leaf. So we'll quickly just crush it. It doesn't have to be finely done. So here you go. I have added again around 400 milliliter of water. We'll just cook it for maximum 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll add the green tea. So I can smell the fragrance of the cinnamon, the rich fragrance of cinnamon, as well as the ginger as well. So I have cooked it for around 5-7 minutes, I would say. Now it's time that we add the green tea. We'll allow it to cook for another 1.5 minutes to 2, and then it's ready. So it's, well, talking about the ratio as what exactly should be the ratio for per cup, I would say 1 teaspoon is good enough for the green tea, and the cooking time should be not more than 1.5 minutes to 2. Before I remove it from the gas, I will add around 3 tablespoons of honey, and here you go. Ginger and cinnamon green tea is ready. Well, I always like the raw taste of ginger, so I would just add some more crushed raw ginger to my green tea, and this cinnamon and ginger green tea is ready. Hi guys, I hope you like the episode today, the green teas that we prepared, and you should definitely try these teas. It is very refreshing, I must say, and you will definitely enjoy having it. And in our upcoming new video, we'll come up with 3 different type of rice: yogurt rice, and then you have the tomato rice and lemon rice as well. So stay tuned, and thank you very much for being with me today. And until we meet again, thank you very much. And lastly, do like, share and subscribe if you like the video today.